Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable double click the side button to end guarded access with Face ID on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on guarded access. In here, tap on passcode settings and then tap on Face ID. Okay, so once we have turned on Face ID, and if we turn on guarded access, okay, so guarded access has started. And if we would like to turn off guarded access, we can double click 1, 2, and it will use Face ID to end guarded access. So that is kind of quick and easy to turn off guarded access instead of having to triple click, then tap on guarded access, and then you need to put in the passcode to turn off. And that's how you can turn on that convenience with Face ID to turn off guarded access. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.